It is possible to use Wi-Fi and Ethernet simultaneously, especially if you have a router that supports both. This setup allows you to connect a mix of wired and wireless devices to the same network, which is referred to as a mixed network. For instance, you can have your printer connected via a cable and your cell phone connected using Wi-Fi. Laptops are particularly versatile, as they can utilize both Wi-Fi and Ethernet connections. When a laptop is connected to Ethernet, it will automatically switch to this interface and bypass Wi-Fi. However, if the Ethernet connection is disconnected, the laptop will revert to using Wi-Fi. Generally, Ethernet provides faster speeds than Wi-Fi, but it offers less mobility. Certain devices, such as photo cameras and cell phones, do not have Ethernet capabilities at all, making Wi-Fi their primary means of connection.